Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to log on applications from iPhone with the Face ID and passcode. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you already activate the passcode for the Face ID and the passcode for your security on your phone. You just need to visit the settings and just go into this Face and passcode, and then you just need to follow the rules to activate those. And whenever you already activate those type of security, now you just need to find the shortcuts. You just need to slide into the app library and just type a shortcuts in a search button and just click it to open it. And here is the look, and you can see that the shortcuts has 3 sections, and then you just need to go into these automations. And in this automations, you just need to go click this plus button in the corner and go click this create personal automations. And now you just need to scrolling down until you found app. And now you just need to go click it and make sure that you already click this is opened rather than is closed. Now let's choose the application that we want to log. So go click this choose and just choose which applications that you want to log. Let's say I would like to log this application and just go click done. Now click next. And after that, you just need to go click add action. And in this time, you just need to type in the search buttons here, a lock screen. And whenever you found it, you just need to go click it. And now, whenever the lock screen is already here, go click next. Don't forget to turn off this button and confirm that you don't need to ask to run these automations. And now you just need to go click done. Now let's check the result. Let's find the application that we logged. And just go far away from your screen and let's open the application. Whenever we try to open it, you can see that the phone is automatically locked. And to unlock, you just need to open with your face or the passcode. So that is the way how to log an applications on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.